Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Just imagine this superpower. You read a book and you can remember every little line of the book after one day, 1 month, or 1 year. Do you think that there is no superpower like this exist in the world? No, this superpower is existing in the world and it is called photographic memory. In this video, I tell you about how to get this superpower. Okay, let's get start the video. Number 1. Use image associations. One way to help you remember whether it is the title of the book or where you left your keys is to take a moment to visualize the item at hand. For example, if the object is a book called The 100 Billion Years, take a moment to visualize how 100 billion years look like. Having the image imprinted in your mind can help you recall the title of the book. Similarly, if you place your car keys down on the kitchen counter, try to imagine your keys doing something silly in the kitchen, like cooking or eating the fruits in the fruit bowl. When it comes time to look for your keys later, you will be unlikely to forget that silly image you created in your mind. Number 2. Employ chunking. Chunking is a psychological term for a memory retention technique that involves clumping numbers, words, or items in a list together to help remember them. I will give you a real life example. If your mom or your wife gives you a grocery list, you went to the supermarket and you forgot grocery list, what do you want? Then try to clump them together in a different categories like fruits, vegetables, frozen item, condiments, meats, etc. I think it is useful for you. And another one is the same can be done by dividing sets of numbers into smaller sections. This will come in hand when you are trying to remember your credit card numbers, social security number, or telephone number. Instead of trying to remember the following sequence, you could break it up into like repeating the number back to yourself will be a lot easier if you do it in smaller sections. Number 3. Concentrate on what you are reading. The biggest mistake of the human is to multitask when you are reading for information. It will increase the likelihood that you will not have. Picture perfect recall. Instead, focus instantly on what you are reading and tune everything else out. My best advice is to don't try to watch TV or have a conversation when you are reading something that you want to remember. Number 4. Play games and do puzzles to exercise your brain. My friend, your brain is like the muscle of your body. The more exercise you give it, the better it will perform. Unfortunately, many people get so catch up in their daily routine that they can go days with their daily routines, that they can go days with their brains performing on autopilot. Try to incorporate some of the following brain simulating activities into the week. Do crossword puzzles to get a great mental workout. Number 5. Read something every day. Learning new information is a great way to keep your memory sharp. Even if you are not an avid reader, make a point to read a little bit each day. Choose a book that interests you and commit to reading a chapter or even just 5 pages of a day. It does not matter whether it is a friction or non friction. You can read the newspaper to stay up to date on current events. This will also exercise your brain. Number 6. Learn something new to keep your brain fresh. In addition to reading on your own, you can learn new skills to give your memory a workout. My suggestion is to learn a new language or musical instrument. Number 7. Eat plenty of omega. These fatty acids are great for overall brain health and have been shown to improve memory. In particular, try eating a fish couple of times a week. Salmon, bluefin tuna are great choices. Try grilling or baking the fish to get more nutritional values. If you don't like fish, talk to your doctor about trying fish oils supplements instead. Number 8. Get more exercise. Physical activity increase blood flow to every part of your body, including your brain. This can help get more oxygen and essential nutrients to your brain so that it will perform better. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of exercise 5 days a week. It's important to spread out your exercise throughout the week so that you are regularly increase blood flow of the brain. Even if you don't have time for a formal workout, then you can try the hand gripper. Number 9. Make relaxation a priority. There are many ways to evaluate anxiety and stress. Spend more time doing activities that you enjoy, especially those that involves being outdoors. Take up activities that promote mindful awareness, like meditation. Another way to help evaluate anxiety and depression is to socialize more often. Reach out to friends, family members, and loved ones, and avoid spending too much time alone with your thoughts. Number 10. Practice visualization to create a vivid memory. Creating a mental picture of what you are reading is a helpful way to memorize the information. If you are reading about how to bake a pie, picture each of the different parts of as you read about them. Imagine the ingredients, the crust, the filling, and the finished project. Imagine the ingredients, the crust, the filling, and the finished product. Okay, that's all for today's video. We will meet in our next video, my friend. Thanks for watching.